Welcome to Lemon Cone. Today we're gonna make some strawberry milkshake. Keep watching. Start by adding some ice cubes according to your requirements. Now for our main ingredients, strawberries. They are low in calories and are actually quite healthy for us. They support our immune system, improve our skin quality, and are great for our heart and memory. So add 1 cup of strawberries, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, 250 ml milk, and 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.